What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today's going to be a short, sweet, and simple video, hopefully. I'm going to be installing a new front lip on the WRX. So currently, actually, you know what? So currently on the WRX, it has a kind of gross easy lip on the car. Really old school in my opinion. I mean, the car doesn't look too bad with it on, but this new lip I got is pretty sick. I got a CS style front lip. In my opinion, probably the best looking lip for the WRX STI, the V8s. So yeah, I'm gonna try to install this today. It already has holes in it, which is pretty nice. I know I gotta drill holes in the bumper, but I'm gonna try to take that easy lift off. Hopefully it comes off easy, and then we'll install this CS style lip. So just looking at the lip already, it's I don't think it's held on by 3M at all. I think actually it just might be held on by sticky adhesive. And it looks like they did a pretty good job putting this on. Yeah, it's just ripping the lip, and I don't want that. I want the actual like 3M off. Oh, this is gonna take a while. Oh, I have a heat gun. I just use a heat gun. So stupid. Josh, I know you're not watching this, but thanks for the heat gun. Alright, I'm gonna try to heat up the adhesive and hopefully it just comes out a lot easier. So this is what we're gonna be doing for the next hour. Because the person that put this on actually did a really good job. I did 3M is sticking like crazy, so yeah. Easy lips are fun. Because if you're slammed and you hit a curb, the bumper is gonna go first, not the lip. Okay, the easy lip is finally off. The car looks super naked. That was probably the worst thing I've ever done. Or the hardest thing. Holy man. The foam, it's like a foam lip and it just kept ripping off. Yeah, it's off. It looks naked. No time for the CS lip. So, I get the privilege of installing this lip on myself. And for people who have installed lips by themselves, it is not a fun experience. Jeez. It's nice. It's nice leap. Alright, try to put this on. Hopefully it fits. The trick I learned when you're doing it by yourself, painter's tape. Just to hold it up. Oh my god, my glove already made the tape dirty, man. Okay, that doesn't work. I have another plan. Oh, this is so frustrating. But it looks cool so far. Oh, at least on camera. Okay, this looks pretty nice actually. Let me just grab a flashlight. Yeah, so in the middle, there's two pop clips to center the lip. Right over here. Right there. And they match with the OEM holes, which is crazy. And now I just gotta align the lip to the sides and just self-tap everything in. Okay, I'm starting the drilling process into the bumper. It's not exactly 100%, but you know what? I got it cheap, and it's ABS plastic, so you can just stretch it around and stuff. So, I got it on the side. Oh, it's kind of dark, but I'll fix it, post at it. Lift the freaking car, the drill doesn't fit under. There we go. That should be right, I hope. And the front lip is on. God damn. That looks good. The front lip definitely changes the car. Makes it look a lot lower. Well, that's it. Super simple. Just a couple pre-holed or pre-drilled holes on the lip, and you just use the self-tappers onto the car, and that's it. Super easy to install. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.